So I made this little 12 volt battery out of three 18650s wired in series, of course, just to run a headlight on my bike. I don't have no BMS, but I do have a old Amazon Echo power supply. Puts out 15 volts, an amp and a half. Turned it down. 12.4. And that's my charger. Put it back in its case, but yeah, I don't have a BMS or anything, but you're not going to be able to get it over 12.4 volts. It's not great for the batteries, but I doubt it's going to start on fire. And I mean, I don't just leave it on all night. I charge it up. And I got this headlight for my bike. Boom. I don't have to pull battery or pull off my bike's battery. Yeah, no BMS. Charge the battery. I won't push it above the volts that's in it. Of course, I don't, yeah, like I said, I don't just leave it on. But that works for me.